Hey, I bought a cake.
Cake? For what?
It's your birthday today.
No, it's not.
Really? Not today?
Really, not today.
Maybe our anniversary?
Nope, not today.
But it feels special today.
Yeah, kinda special.
I must be forgetting something.
I'm thinking too.
Did we plan something before?
I don't think so.
Maybe a friend's birthday?
No, not that.
Wait, look who's here.
It's Buddy.
Look, he's very excited.
He's jumping around.
Why is he so happy?
Wait, today is his birthday.
We forgot our dog's birthday.
But he remembered.
So the cake is perfect.
For him, not me.
Still a special day.
Yeah, he's family now.
Let's celebrate together.
Best surprise ever.
Happy birthday, buddy.
He looks so proud.
Something smells really good.
I'm making some soup.
Can I taste it?
Sure, go ahead.
Wow. It's really salty.
Really?
Yeah, super salty.
I didn't add salt. I only added sugar.
Did you mix it up?
I used the sugar jar.
The blue one, right?
No, the red one is sugar.
Did I remember it wrong?
The blue jar is salt, and the red jar is sugar.
Oh no. My mistake.
You filled the jars?
Yes, last night.
So you switched them?
Maybe I did. Sorry.
It's okay, sweetheart.
Can we fix it?
Sure. Trust my cooking skills.
What should we do?
Add more water and more vegetables.
Really?
Yes, but the pot is big. Looks like we'll drink soup all day.
I love your soup anyway.
Thank you.
Smells better already.
See? Easy fix.
You're the kitchen boss.
Taste it again now.
Much better now.
Great, the soup is saved. I can't find my earrings.
Both of them missing?
Yes, both are gone.
I also lost something.
What did you lose?
One of my headphones.
Our home is too messy.
Yeah, really messy.
We need a big cleanup.
Let's divide tasks.
I'll clean the bedroom.
I'll take the living room.
Shout if you find something.
I'll tell you.
Hey! I found one earring
Where was it?
under my makeup drawer.
Great. One more left.
Check under the sofa.
Wait, I found something.
Is it my earring?
Yes, but it's sticky.
Sticky? What happened?
It's stuck to gum.
Ew! That's gross.
But still wearable.
Okay, I'll clean it.
Look, I found money too.
Under the sofa?
Yeah, a few dollars.
This feels like treasure.
Yeah, a fun cleanup.
Let's clean more areas.
Maybe more surprises.
Look, I found your earbud.
This is a good day.
Yeah, great teamwork.
Hey, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Someone left something outside.
Really?
Maybe a delivery or gift.
Should we check it?
Yes, let's go see.
What's this?
Looks like a package.
It's so beautifully wrapped.
Yes, with a red ribbon.
Who could send this?
Not sure.
Let's open it slowly.
Okay, careful please.
Wow, what's inside?
There are fresh vegetables.
And some meat, too.
Oh, I love this.
Who would send this?
Maybe a friend or neighbor?
Could it be you?
Me? I don't know.
Looks like cooking ingredients.
Yes, fresh and ready.
Wait, I think I know.
Really? Who then?
Did you plan a surprise?
Maybe. I did?
You want to cook dinner?
Yes, for your birthday.
Oh my, that's sweet.
I know your favorite meal.
I love this surprise.
What do we need today?
Just some daily stuff.
Like soap and shampoo?
Yeah, those things.
Let's start here.
Where is the soap aisle?
I think it's over there.
Great. Let's check it.
Do you want liquid soap?
Liquid is easier.
This brand looks good.
Price seems okay.
Should we get two?
One is fine.
Next, where's shampoo?
Maybe that shelf.
Do you prefer this one?
Let me smell it.
Smells fresh and clean.
Okay, take this.
We also need sponges.
Kitchen sponges, right?
Yes, the yellow ones.
Here, I found them.
This pack has 5.
That's enough now.
Do we need trash bags?
Yeah, almost out.
Big size or medium?
Medium is better.
Compare these two bags.
This one feels stronger.
And the price is lower.
Let's take that one.
Anything else we need?
I think we're done.
Let's check out.
Let's make dinner now.
What should we cook?
Pasta and salad.
I'll cook pasta.
We need some chicken.
I'll cut it.
Let's add some veggies.
Carrots or broccoli?
Broccoli is easier today.
Okay, got it.
And let's make salad.
Simple green salad?
Yes, just greens only.
I'll wash them.
How was your work?
A bit busy.
Still okay now?
Yeah, pretty smooth.
I'm glad to hear.
How about you?
My work felt good.
That's great.
The pasta is ready.
I'll drain it.
Chicken looks perfect now.
Let's plate it.
Salad is also done.
Great. Easy meal.
Want some dressing?
Just a little.
Dinner looks really good.
Yeah, nice mix.
Let's eat together now.